What's up, my friend? If you don't already know, I'm going to introduce to you the smartest tool in Pro Tools. It will save you a lot of time when you see how effective it is and how fast you can use it. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Macro from Mixing with Macro, and I appreciate you spending some time with me today. You know that it already means a lot. I'm a recording and mixing engineer, and I've done recording and mixing for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and mixing process for fast and consistent results. So if you're looking to improve your mixing process, I've created a 5-step cheat sheet that will take your mix to professional in less than 30 minutes. It's a quick read and you can get through the entire thing in less than 10 minutes. So be sure to check it out. It's in my description, absolutely free. Now let me show you the smartest tool in Pro Tools. Welcome to my computer. I'm going to show you a smart tool of Pro Tools that saved me so much time from thinking of which tool I need to use, because we only use a certain amount, and this is the only thing that you need to focus on when it comes to using Pro Tools here. Now, this is the smart tool here in Pro Tools. We have the trim tool that trims stuff. You see, you have the trim capabilities there. We have the select tool where you can select different parts of the audio. And we have the grabber where you can grab stuff and change things around. It's a very simple tool to use. When we have the entire thing selected, and I don't just mean the trim, select, or grabber tool, just select it only. When you have the entire thing selected like that, then we have all these tools in one. I'm gonna preface this by saying I rarely use the zoom tool, and I'll have a video coming up where I show you exactly how to zoom around in Pro Tools very quickly and very efficiently. I rarely use the scrubber tool here, and I rarely use the pencil tool. That's my workflow. My workflow just consists of the trim, the select, and the grabber tool. Now there's a way you can select these tools here. You can do Command 2, selects the trim tool. You can do Command 3, selects the select tool, and you could do Command 4, selects the grabber tool. Now we can use Command 7 and it selects the smart tool, which has them all selected at all times. Now we're gonna select a piece of audio here. Let's just cut apart. Here's the song that we're working with here. Floor to ceiling on, windows on. Tell me what you want. I got what I want. Garage fill of V12. All right, so this is what we have working with here. Now I'm just gonna make a selection here and here as well. This is the power of the smart tool. Now when we do this, when we have a piece of audio like this with the smart tool selected, we have the opportunity to fade, we have the opportunity to trim it, and we have the opportunity to do a crossfade at the bottom. All right, why is this important? Simply because we don't have to think to change what we need to select here, because the options are already here for us. All right, I like to work in grid mode, so anytime I need to trim something, it trims and it snaps to the grid. If you want to enable slip mode, all you have to do is hold Command and drag around like that, and you get slip mode enabled. Let go of Command and it goes back into grid mode. All right, same thing with the fade tool. Hold Command, boom, you can fade it however you want. You get all these options here, and it's very, very easy. You don't have to think about it. You can just do boom, fade, fade. You don't want this here, trim it. Easy like that. All right, now this is how I go about doing things in my Pro Tools session. It's going to be a very quick video because I used to be one of the engineers that would switch just because I knew the command. I used to like to switch Command 4, Command 3, Command 2, and just switching all the time when I could have worked more efficiently. Okay, I'm making this video today to show you that it's a more efficient way of working than just using a bunch of fancy shortcuts. Just select it or Command 7 and it selects the smart tool, and you can just focus on what you need to do when it comes to editing. All right, so you have the fade tool, you have the trim tool here when you hold in the middle of the audio, and at the bottom you have, let's delete this here, you have the crossfade. If let's join something here so we can see how the crossfade works. All right, at the bottom here you have the crossfade, just like that. All right, you can crossfade stuff. just like that. So use this tool. It's Command 7 to select it. Just keep it enabled and you'll be able to work in Pro Tools very, very fast. Now, my friend, implement this tool into your Pro Tools workflow and you will save so much time and you can get things done 10 times faster. And again, remember to check the description for the 5-step cheat sheet where you can turn your mix into professional sounding mix ready for streaming services in under 30 minutes. I appreciate you sticking around with me today. So go out there and make some amazing music. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Body. Swear when I'm in that wide body, bitch gon' fall, don't talk about it. Made that money, I move silent.